Let me tell you a secret of getting beautiful skin right away. Use this Moonstar Professional's Milkshake Facial Kit infused with alpha-arbutin. It's a 9-step facial kit and comes with a super cute packaging. Starting with the step 1, which is a cleanser to remove all the dirt from the skin. Step 2 comes with a Power Glow pack, keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Next is a face scrub which will exfoliate your skin deeply and remove the dead skin cells. Massage it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Step 4 comes with a massage cream. Massaging your face will increase the blood circulation and soothe your skin. I have mentioned some massaging steps in the caption, so do check them out. At this point, you can already look the glow on my skin. Next step is a water-based serum to calm the skin. After massaging it for 2 to 3 minutes, moving forward to my most favorite step, which is the algae mask. This is a very unique product. I have mixed the algae powder with hydrogel and applied it evenly on the face and kept it for 15 minutes. This looks so funny, and the fun part is to peel it off. This mask will calm your skin and give you the tighten effect you need. Moving on to the next step, which is a hydro boosting pack which will brighten and give you the hydration boost. Keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. To finish the facial, the important step is sunscreen, which will protect your skin and make facial effect last longer. This was the best facial kit I have ever used. I highly recommend this to everyone.